Hello everyone, welcome to Intellify. Today we will see NCERT solution of Class 12 Mathematics Exercise 5.1 question number 7. This is me, Komal, and the topic is continuity. So question number 7 says we have to find all points of discontinuity for this function where 3 branches are given. So for first we are taking the case 1 where c is less than equal to c is less than minus 3. So it will lie in first branch. So first calculating the f of c at that point, which is equal to minus c plus 3. Also we have slightly simplified our fx because for first branch it is given to be mod x plus 3. So for x is less than equal to minus 3, mod x we have simply put minus x plus 3. This is just a simplification. Now finding the left hand limit x tending to c fx is equal to limit x tending to c minus x plus 3 because c is less than minus 3. So the function accordingly will come, which is equal to minus c plus 3. So the limit is equal to value of the function. Therefore f is continuous at all points x such that x is less than minus 3. Now the case 2 is when c is equal to minus 3. So when c is equal to minus 3, we can see that fx is equal to minus x plus 3 will be considered. Now for f of minus 3 as minus c plus 3, that is equal to minus of minus 3 plus 3, which is equal to 6. Now calculating the limit. So left hand limit is equals to limit x tending to minus 3 minus x plus 3, which is equal to minus of minus 3 plus 3, which is equal to 6. And the right hand limit is equal to limit x tending to minus 3 plus fx is equal to limit x tending to minus 3 plus minus 2x. Here minus 2x has come because as we can see that fx is equal to minus 2x if x is slightly greater than minus 3. So for the right hand limit x is tending to minus 3 plus, which is slightly greater than minus 3. Therefore we have put minus 2x. Now passing the limit minus 2 into minus 3, which is equal to 6. Therefore the limit is equal to value of the function. Therefore f is continuous at x is equal to minus 3. Now the case 3 when c lies between minus 3 and 3. So we can see from here that when x lies between minus 3 and 3, the function is minus 2x. So accordingly when for the c, f of c would be minus 2c, and the limit of the function is equal to limit x tending to c minus 2x, which is equal to minus 2c. Therefore limit is equal to value of the function. Therefore f is continuous in the open interval minus 3 and 3. Now the case 4 when c is equal to 3. So the left hand limit x tending to 3 minus is equal to minus 2x. Now passing the limit we are getting minus 6. Now the right hand limit, which is equal to limit x tending to 3 plus fx. Now for 3 plus, that is it is slightly greater than 3, therefore 6x plus 2 function will come. So for that 6 into 3 plus 2, which is equal to 20. So we can observe that left hand limit is not equal to right hand limit, therefore limit does not exist, and therefore f is not continuous at x is equal to 3. Now the case 5 when c is greater than 3, the f of c is 6c plus 2, and the left hand limit and right hand limit, which is equal to limit of the function, is taking to be limit x tending to c 6x plus 2, which is equal to 6c plus 2. Therefore limit x tending to c fx is equal to f of c. Therefore f is continuous at all points x such that x greater than equal to 3. So we have calculated the limit and the continuity at all points. Therefore what we have got that only the case 4 where c was 3, that is x was 3, therefore hence x is equal to 3 is the only point of discontinuity for f. Thank you.